Hey everyone, hope you're well. Today I'm going to tell you step by step how we can apply on jobs that are invited by clients. So from the right bar, you have to click on proposals, and we can see the invites coming from the clients. I have applied for previous jobs as well, but yeah, this was invited by a client yesterday. It was Sunday, so I'm going to apply on it right now. So the job is on automation and integration specialist. That is what I do. So I will click on this and we'll see what the job post is. So first of all, it is according to me, like my skills. The budget is $100. The third thing I check is the review of clients. So it has like 3.5 out of 6 reviews. That's not a good track record, but yeah, if I would be there, like I should not apply on this, but for you I will apply on this. Just you can learn how we can apply. So I will read the job post. He says like, hey, we need a senior hands-on automation and integration specialist to step into an active project immediately. So there is a project already running and they want an automation integration specialist. The first thing came in my mind, like there is a project, someone was working on that, they kicked him out of the company, and then they wanted to hire me or a new person. They kicked out. Maybe the communication way of the client was not good. He's not good with freelancer, so we should not apply on this job first. But yeah, I will guide you how we can apply. But I will decline this at the end. This is not a consultant only or manager only role. We need someone who can personally do the harder work first, fix what is broken, build what is missing. Okay. We will work closely with our. You will work closely with our developers, lead, and internal manager. And yeah, I will read this quickly, just to understand like what is the things I will be working. So it is N10 automations, not Zapier, not make.com. So we need to work on API, Google Sheet, WhatsApp API, yeah, Twilio, Engine Mailer, XC messaging flows, Jira, MetaMask, and go high level step and integration. It is a big project, but the budget is $100. That's another confusing thing. But yeah, let's see if it then in the end he says like it's a hourly or like other budget. He want me to apply a code. So scope is review current automation step and broken flaws, rebuild or fix keys, workflows where needed. Okay, complete missing integration, setup and connect, go high level, and yeah, okay. You should be strong in API, automation, email marketing, go high level, Jira, Twilio, MetaMask. That is what I do. I know some things these tools are new. Like I can work on Google Sheets. I have been working a lot on WhatsApp, Twilio, go high level, and other things. But yeah, these are new to me. Engine Mailer and XC messaging flows. I did work on Jira too, but yeah, every client comes in with a different scenario, with a different tool. We don't have to say no to everyone. We just need some research. We are very good with the automation part, so the automation setup is usually same for every tool. But yeah, with some researching, with a basic tutorial, we will be good with these as well. He says like you should be comfortable working hands in N10. Yeah, I am. Similar work. Okay, I've been working on a lot on N10. You can see it on my YouTube as well. Example or screenshots. Okay, and direct go high level. Okay, your availability from Sunday to Thursday. Okay, whether you are comfortable leading delivery while still being fully hands-on. We're looking for someone. He didn't mention the budget part, but the budget is $100 here. That's not a concern. Like I can discuss the budget later. But the main thing is he has a bad rating, and it looks like they have been working with someone, but something is broken, or sometimes happens because we need to do research and fix. Automation always give errors. We have to improve that after some time again and again. But yeah, I will decline this, but I will guide you how we can apply. So you just have to copy this. I have the main idea. If I will write by my own, it will be more better if I get help of here. I have guided like I want a hey, so like please write a proposal for this job post. It should be confident way. It should be in a confident way. It should be not too long. Let's say it should be short mid size proposal, because usually client prefer or read less and hire more. But there are some companies that read complete proposals. That is a full-time job. Usually that clients read the whole proposal and see the background. But these are freelance. This looks like a freelancing project, so I will prefer a mid-size proposal. And yeah, I already have guide this ChatGPT, like the way the bullet points and things like that. You can definitely work and fix your fix your prompt, and it will be working in that way. So I will say here is the job invite description. I'll send this. So it will start writing for me, and I can just copy it from here, and I will go and apply for the job post. So today the ChatGPT server is slow. It is taking some time for writing as well and giving me the output as well. So why? I don't know. It still didn't start it. But yeah, we can get the output proposal like this, and I just have to copy from here. After copying, accept, and from there I can like after accepting we can put the budget. Either it can be same or we can change the budget, and at the end we can add the portfolio as well and apply for the job post. But yeah, here you can see like it can be milestone or project based, but it is client was like it should be 100, but yeah, we can change it to 500 because it is a $500 project. The duration should be less than a month, and here we will we will put the proposal, and then here we can add the attachments and we can submit. But I'll decline this. So yeah, I will decline in front of you, where I will say client has too little experience, or we can say like proposed rate or budget is too low. I will decline this. So yeah, I hope you understand how you can apply for job post. If you need any guidance, just ping me on my WhatsApp number or on my Gmail. Thank you.